This is an example of what working together with your best friend can look like, but only if you're both total pros. A safety harness and attention to detail allows this builder to easily place this massive structure on a towering 5-meter metal base. This guy's focus on grouting is on another level. The 10 years it took to build the Great Wall of China would have been done in a week if this guy had been on the clock. You are now looking at the master of polyurethane foam. Look at how this worker sprays exactly the right amount. The way this worker handles a hammer and chisel makes the stone break in the most perfect way. Some well-coordinated teamwork allows this team to easily push a grate into a 1-kilometer trench. This guy spends hours polishing a concrete staircase, but the smoothness is worth the effort. Tasked with creating a perfectly level floor without special tools, this resourceful worker came up with an ingenious solution of his own. The way this painter handles such high ceilings deserves an award. Before you is the god of grinding. How else do you explain his ability to create the coolest puzzle ever? With a single fluid motion, this genius transforms a plain concrete wall into a stunning brick one. And how about this time-saving skill? This perfectionist found a clever way to smooth out a column without a single motion. Only in the hands of skilled craftsmen can a simple tool create such a perfectly flat surface. And now, allow me to introduce you to the Cristiano Ronaldo of the construction world. Sandblasting allows you to renovate an old door in a matter of seconds. Give this guy some tile and he will create a truly convincing 3D illusion in your hallway. It's amazing how such a complicated process can be done in just one movement. Slate polishing has become a breeze for this guy thanks to his precise movements. An innovative worker devised a stencil to craft unique designs on the ground. Another flawless bricklayer I could watch forever. While most other people can only handle basic cement coatings, this worker has mastered the art of crafting magnificent rounded shapes. Here's a hero who makes bricks with his own hands. Just look at how many of them there are. A can of paint and a dishwashing sponge is all this guy needs to create the illusion of real brick and save you hundreds of dollars. You've all probably seen a mosaic floor before, but I bet you have no idea how it was made. For such a well-coordinated team, leveling asphalt is no trouble at all. Thanks to these ingenious stamps, nobody has to pick up and lay out stones anymore. This woman isn't afraid of dirty work and heavy bricks. And this one uses bricks like dumbbells. Now that's some motivation. Even a 400-ton house can be moved anywhere in the world when a whole team of pros works together. And that's all for today. Be sure to tell us in the comments about which clip made you want to do your job with renewed vigor this Monday. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and leave a like so you don't miss us next time. See you soon. While you're thinking about the best way to start your day, we're going to show you some ingenious construction workers who have elevated their skills to new heights by finding joy and satisfaction in their work. So watch this video until the end to see the pros doing what they do best. This is how an expert worker compacts cement in just a few seconds using a simple pipe. If a Swiss watch were human, it would undoubtedly be these 10 impeccably synchronized guys. Check out this guy hammering nails at the speed of light. This worker paints all the markings so perfectly by hand that even a machine can't make it so satisfying. Check out this operator controlling the bucket with surgical precision. For the perfect worker, not even their shoes leave a mark. The bricklayer who set up these bricks knows exactly how to enjoy his work. A single putty knife is all you need to create a flawless curved border. If you're a true construction genius, that is. Now, watch this super skilled worker create an incredible marble wall with a spatula. Look at how masterfully this guy levels a long road in just a matter of seconds. Now this is the most enjoyable way to paint walls. This worker has brought Minecraft into the real world. It's amazing how accurately this guy uses a grinder to create perfect lines on tile. The ingenuity of these two has made them the best team ever. To make a modern brick out of a 100-year-old one, you have to draw a white line in the most expert way possible. A master excavator driver found a creative way to spend his free time by playing tic-tac-toe. Roofing becomes an enjoyable process when this master gets down to business. This brilliant woman figured out a creative way to make expensive-looking stones using ordinary cement by putting it in a bag. Incredible! For those who find painting to be a never-ending chore, check out this pleasing approach. Check out this smooth way of creating steps. Incredibly impressive. This person's self-preservation instincts pale in comparison to a job well done. With an airbrush and a little bit of talent, you can dramatically expand any space. Seeing this man's impeccable work makes me want to redo my floors immediately. This excavator operator doesn't need any help because he can load the equipment in his own unique way. A Bollywood star paints houses during film breaks. Looks like a new passion. This is what perfect bricklaying looks like. While an ordinary worker spends all day plastering a wall, this guy can do it in just a few seconds. These guys have their own unique method for getting sand to the second floor. Just one of these bags weighs 50 kilograms. Now count them all and tell me, how does he do that? This construction worker smoothly spreads hot molten bitumen like frosting on a cake. Just think, with the help of a disc and a pencil, you can cut tile perfectly.
Nice.
This guy can make flawless cuts with a grinder just by looking. That's some construction wizardry.